Sweet. So I decided to buy a new Troy-Bilt chainsaw. This is a 46cc engine with a 20-inch bar. And so far this is the biggest chainsaw I've ever had. I have a couple 18-inch chainsaws, but I have a job coming up cutting a tree down, and I kind of wanted something bigger, so hopefully a 20-inch is enough, which I'm sure it is. But so far it looks pretty good. I mean, it's brand new, so obviously it's gonna look nice. But as far as the design goes and everything, it's the same exact design as my Black & Decker chainsaw. So whatever factory overseas makes all these and markets them for different companies, I'm assuming that company made the both of these. And this saw here has been awesome. It's got a ton of use on it, and it still runs good. Still starts great. Clutch seems to be working just fine. It's got a different bar on there. The bar got bent, but that's not the chainsaw's fault. So if this Troy-Bilt is anything like this Black & Decker, I'll be happy with it. So it did come with a nice carrying case, a little pouch of 2-cycle oil, spark plug wrench, and then the paperwork. If you live in the United States, in the Midwest, we have a store called Menards, and they have a deal pretty much half of the year where if you go in there, anything you buy, you get 11% rebate. And I bought this saw completely off of rebates. It didn't cost me, well, it cost me money. Essentially it costed me money, but I just used my rebates I got in the mail and I bought the saw with it. So I think it was 199 bucks. And the funny thing is, I even got an 11% rebate on this. So it was actually, you know, I got like 22 bucks back from this. But anyway, all I really got to do is put some fuel in it, bar oil, make sure the chain's adjusted all right, and then it should be ready to go. I guess the next time you see this, I'll be cutting a tree down.